Hi, my name is Ken Fothergill. I'm a wholesaler out of southern New Hampshire, along with my brother John Fothergill. Um, we had joined the TTP family in the beginning of November and never looked back. Um, we wanted to get into real estate. We wanted to build our rental portfolio, and we figured, what is a better way to source your own deals than wholesaling? So that led us to Wholesaling Inc, which we became obsessed with listening to some of the episodes over and over. It provided a wealth of knowledge, a lot of answers to our questions, and it eventually led us to joining TTP with Brent. The day we joined, he called us, we talked. I was excited, he was excited. And then since taking that course, which is super instructional and it tells you exactly how to do it, it changed the whole game. It gave us a lot of answers and a point in the right direction. And from that course, we officially closed our first deal, which is a sizable deal, on Friday, and we have about four more stakes in the fire. One of which I'm hoping to sign on this week. But I recommend this to anybody if you're looking to get into wholesaling. This is the way to go. It's paid off handsomely, and I look forward to possibly taking more classes within the Wholesaling Inc realm. So I appreciated Brent and the wholesaling gang. I look forward to keep learning from you guys. Thanks.